The ocean, once alive, has turned to crystal in the blink of an eye.
Beneath the surface, cliffs stand petrified, suspended in frozen time. The abyss is sealed, a prison of ice where darkness once thrived.
Even the fury of the waves is captured, eternal in frozen motion. Ice rises from the currents, a monument to nature's sudden stillness.
Even fire beneath the waves struggles against the icy dominion above.
The sky and sea merge into glass, a world.
Relics of the past lie trapped, preserved in sudden frozen eternity. Spikes of ice pierce the heavens, the ocean's chaos crystallized.
The ocean breathes no more, a frozen infinity under the sun's faint glow. Don't just wonder, see. Like and subscribe now to unlock more unimaginable Earths.